Dude, so Donovan, a videographer, surprised me with this. Check this out. So there's nothing overly special about me, but I've had a lot of success on LinkedIn. I have well over 1 million video and content views. What's up, guys? So I am absolutely obsessed with stories and those pivotal moments that have helped people become the people that they are now. And I had the chance to talk about my story as a young entrepreneur. Here's a snippet.
Took a dead-end job, saved money, and I was going to start my company. Launched my company, everything went wrong, girlfriend left me. Car got totaled, my dog got sick, my dog got hit by a car, I lost all my funds. I was literally crying in bed every single night. And I remember the chocolate bar when I didn't have enough money, but I had negative $900 in my bank account. And like that was the moment for me.
Do things, all I mean is like go out and do, go out and create, go out and talk to people, because when you do that, you're gonna get inspiration, you're gonna get content ideas, and you're gonna build real and authentic relationships. When I initially started on LinkedIn, I was posting text posts, and I'm a good writer. I love writing, but I'm better in front of the camera. And everybody was saying, don't do it because text posts have greater reach, because LinkedIn is pushing text posts. People aren't on LinkedIn to watch videos, Quentin, so focus on text. And I didn't listen, and I created videos anyway, and that's when I started reaching people. That's when I started making an impact. That's when people started mentioning me, inviting me on their podcast, and putting me on these awesome lists with other awesome creators. That's when things started to happen, because that's when I am best. So you have to focus on content that makes you happy. You have to focus on you have to put your focus and energy where your strengths are, not where the algorithm says that your strengths should be, because algorithms change. Platforms change. People that are using the platforms, that audience is going to change.
That right there is my passion. Because so many people treat social media like it's this weird, crazy, extravagant tool, and all it is an extension of us. Like, we have been using tools and technology to extend ourselves since the beginning of time, right? Like a caveman grabbing a stick to get an apple out of a tree or something like that, to a hearing aid, to computers that allow us to communicate, to Skype that allow us to connect one-on-one. All these different things are just meant to be an extension. And us as human beings, innately, we're just connectors, right? We're community builders. That's what social media is. This is how it's supposed to be, which is why I love LinkedIn.
Just thank you. Like, the things that I have accomplished this year, the end of... Buddy, what are you doing, man? This year, the end of last year, would not have been possible without you guys. The community here has been amazing. I met so many amazing friends, so many amazing creators, and just thank you guys for the support, for being you, for being awesome.